In this video I am going to unbox and review the new variant of Philips LED Batten of 36 watts. So let's unbox it. So I have bought this product for 566 rupees. It's available on Amazon. You can buy directly from there. I have mentioned the links in the description of this video. So here is the look of the product. It's 36 watt Batten. It's a Slimline Superbright compact 4 feet LED Batten. So I have bought this in cool day light. Its MRP is 750 rupees. Here the details about the product has been mentioned, as it's a super slimline series, so the appearance of the product will be slim. Let's get out the product from the box. So here you can see, as per the name, the product is super slim. The bezels are also very less of this Batten. So here is the wires, very short wires has been given. So let's fix this and check out the brightness and the performance of the Batten. So in my room I have 20 watts Batten. So here you can see the result, how the brightness is spreading across the room. So now let's install the 36 watts Philips Super Slim LED and check out the results. So I have finished installing the Super Slim series of Philips. Here you can see the brightness of the Batten. The entire room has been lighted up and it's spreading all across the room. Whereas compared to the 20 watts Batten, this 36 watts is providing a better coverage. So if you are looking for 36 or 40 watts LED Batten, then you should definitely try this out. The appearance of this LED Batten is also perfect, as it's super slim series. So if you want to purchase this product, you can directly purchase it from Amazon. I have mentioned the links in the description. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.